abstraction is a technology that allows you to interact with multiple blockchains through a single simplified interface. Instead of learning and managing the complexities of each individual blockchain, chain abstraction lets you perform actions like transaction, smart contract interactions across different blockchains in a unified, simplified way through decentralized front ends. Built on the blockchain operating system powered by NEAR protocol, DapDap is a gateway serving as a hub for DeFi dApps across EVM Layer 1 and Layer 2 blockchains. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the DapDap platform that connects you to the base DeFi apps across different blockchain networks. Let me take you through the DapDap platform. This platform actually simplifies the use of DeFi apps across different blockchain networks. You can connect your wallet. That is what we call all-in-one dApps. So you can actually swap your assets, bridge assets, and add liquidity and many of it. So now let's explore it. So first of all, what you need to do, you just need to connect your wallet. When you click on these three dots, so there's what you see: explore the apps, explore layer 2s, explore quests. Here you will actually see different apps where you can actually filter between which one and which one you want to use. Let's say you want to use linear network, so you just click on linear network. Maybe you want to swap on linear network, then click on swap. So this is how to sort. You will see everything, every dApp on linear network. Okay, let's say it's not linear network, it's base. The moment you click on base, you will see all dApps related to base where you can actually swap. So the same thing to Arbitrum, the same thing to Polygon, and also Optimism. So that's it. So it's just where you can actually sort and then find an upcoming airdrops. So here you can actually see all the dApps. When you click on here, you will see all the dApps, but here you will see all quests that can actually ensue airdrops on base network. When you click on here, it actually shows you all the dApps here. Polygon, you see here, that's it. And then you can actually make one or two your favorites so that you can actually come and media. That's it. The next thing is layer 2s. This is what we call all-in-one platform chain abstraction, where we have one particular platform that can give us access to any layer 2 blockchain or even layer 1 like Ethereum. So now I am on Optimism. So I can actually select every network I want to see. So I can actually connect any. So now I want to be on Optimism. So let's take, for instance, I want to bridge one Optimism to Ethereum. With just a click, I'll just click on confirm and do it. The same thing if I want to swap, I'll click on swap, then come and select the dApp I want to use, then select which particular token I want to swap to which token. So let's say, for instance, I want to swap Optimism to USDC. Maybe it's not swap, I want to lend. So I will come and click lend here, let it load, and then select which particular market I might actually lend into. Is that USDT? DAI? Which one am I actually lending? Okay, let's say, for instance, I want to lend USDT. Come and click on USDT, select the amount I want to lend, and then select the amount I want to lend, and then click on approve and do it. Voila! With this dApp, you can actually swap bridge and also length. You can switch between different blockchain. Is it BSC? So I will just switch the network, come back to BSC. You see, this is the BSC. Okay, maybe it's not BSC, it's base. I want to use base network. I will now switch to base network. Voila, I have it. So this is just basically what you need to do. This is basically what you'll be doing. So this is for bridge, and then this is for swap, this is for length. It does the same thing and is everything to any blockchain that is here. More, you see scroll, manta, linear, avalanche, arbitrum, manta, mantle, metis, zk sync, polygon, genesis, base, and optimism. In the DApp, you see you can actually sort which particular DApp you want. Is it Sonny, Moonwell, Gary? Now you can actually select, you can actually come here and explore the quest. There are quests ongoing which actually earns you more points, more PTS point, as well as give you access to have airdrop. So let's see this. Okay, if you see the quest here, you see there are different quests you can actually do. Let's say I want to explore the BNS. Okay, what you need to do is, after clicking here, so maybe you want to have a base name. So I want to have my own particular base. Okay, let me try it. Okay, claim. So register with ETH. So there is a 60% cutoff. So that's it. So you actually have all this quest, so you can actually participate, and this gives you more points. So what you need to do, you see this, explore the homepage, like at least 3 dApps within base. Okay, click on dApps, then click on detail, favorite, like, and then come and select another detail, and then like. You need to refresh this until this shows a check. After this shows a check, which means you can actually claim your 100 PTS. Okay, you see I've liked, then I click my TPS point. Voila, that's it. You see there are many of it. You can explore the platform. It's actually very easy and simple to use, and then so you can do as many quests as possible, do the swap, do the bridges. This quest actually earns you more PTS points. Onboarding actions. So actually there are around 24 executions, which people that have been onboarded have actually traded like 413, and then that's around 12 addresses. So I've actually done nothing on the linear, so so that's why it's actually showing this. So you can actually see more upcoming airdrops here, and then these are the futures airdrops, and then these are what you can actually trade on the Ethereum net. This is trending, so linear, blah blah, and then voila, that's it. So you can actually see some of the quests here. There are different quests which actually earns you more PTS point. So currently you can track the leaderboard here, of which I'm still leading with 84,800 points. This is super. So you see there are around 5.4 million PTS being issued to 12,649 users, of which 34,105 quest has been execute it. So this is this for now. So you can actually check the link in the description where you can find the invitation link where you get started, and where you get started also have 200 PTS point for registering. Thank you for watching. My name is Muhammad Sagi Muhammad. Hit like, the subscribe button, and also turn on your notification button so that you can get notified anytime I uploaded informative video like this, so you can learn more about NIA protocol with the link I will put in the